How to prevent popping sounds on your microphone. Piper picked a pack of... So many creators suffer from this, and it physically hurts their audience ears when they say the letters P or B. That's actual wind hitting the microphone diaphragm. Here's what not to do. Don't address the mic directly. You're basically blowing air into it. Also, don't bother with windscreens. They're not effective and they look silly in my opinion. Pop filters work, but they look ridiculous. The solution is easy, but it takes a little technique. Always point a microphone to the corner of your mouth from off to the side. Now you can spit and scream or whatever you want to do, and your audience won't be hospitalized. For more tools and tips on how to make your video content and video calls look more professional, follow On Screen Authority.